Hello everybody, welcome. We will learn ArcGIS Online. Let's go. We will go enter and you will enter the username and the password, then sign in. Yeah. We'll go to the map tab and enter, click on it. It's very easy. That's very good. There are many tabs in ArcGIS Online. Details tab, a tab based map tab. Details tab show the layers on the map. At tab, there are more clicks to choose it. One search for layers. Before this, we will go base map and choose imagery. Yeah, now the map is empty. We will add layers in it. Boundary, boundary, and click enter. Yeah, we will choose ArcGIS Online and world boundaries and places. The layer is added to the imagery to the base map. Yeah, if you go to details, content, we will see world boundaries and places. Yeah, we can add layers from the file from computer. The like chip files, CSV, the format uh, is made from ArcGIS desktop. Yeah, and routes from the IP. We can't choose chip file directly. We will compress it to ZIP. Choose there and compress them to ZIP. Open and import layers. Yeah, this the way the route in Valmir. Yeah, we can add layers from web. The URL contain maps. Yeah, details we will see routes Valmir and world boundaries and the places. Thank you.